Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to change the keyboard shortcuts on TradingView in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday sale in the description. In this deal, you are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only 3 days left, so make sure that you hurry and grab this deal. So in order to change the keyboard shortcuts, you first need to come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you need to simply launch the chart in front of you just like so. Once you are here on the chart, simply click on your profile icon here on the top left hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will see the option of keyboard shortcuts. So simply click on it. Once you are here on this chart, you can also press Ctrl plus I in order to access this keyboard shortcut option. Now over here, you can use the search bar here on the top in order to search for any of the shortcuts. Then you can also look for the chart related shortcuts. If you want to make changes into it, you just have to select it and basically press all of these tabs that you want to change, and it will come over here in this section. So you can take a look at the keyboard shortcuts and you can make changes into it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.